Withdrawing money from your Bank of America account to another bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your transfer. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Bank of America online banking account by visiting their website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers option in the main menu. This section allows you to manage your money transfers between accounts. Step 3. Select Transfer Type. Choose the type of transfer you want to make. If you're transferring to an external bank account, select Transfer to an external account. You may need to add the external account if you haven't done so already. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Fill in the required information, including the amount you wish to withdraw and the external bank account details. Double check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your transfer details one last time. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is processed. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your other bank account. Always ensure you keep track of your transactions for your records.